Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us at Easy English for Better You. Today we will talk about a very important question. When a problem happens in your relationship, what do you do? It is not enough to know you have a problem. You need to know how to fix it. Today I will give you 3 real tools. These are proven methods that can help. We will talk about conflict like a fire. There are small sparks, growing campfires, and big forest fires. Each one needs a different tool. By the end of this video, you will have a toolkit. You will know exactly what to do when a problem starts. So please, stay with me until the end. The spark. The first tool. A conflict often starts as a small spark, a thoughtless word, a broken promise. It is small, but it can start a fire. Many people see a spark and do nothing. They hope it will go away. This is a mistake. You must handle the spark when it is small. So, what is the tool for a spark? It is called the iMessage. This is a simple and powerful way to talk. It stops blame. It opens communication. Here is how it works. You say 2 things. First, you say how you feel. Second, you say what action caused the feeling. The sentence is, I feel, you're feeling, when the specific action happens. Let's see an example. Your partner is looking at their phone while you are talking. The wrong way to talk is, you never listen to me. This is blame. It is like adding wind to the spark. The right way is using an iMessage. You say, I feel unheard when I am talking and you are looking at your phone. See the difference? You are not saying you are bad. You are saying, I feel this way. This is a gentle way to put out the spark before it grows. Practice this. It is the most important tool you have. The campfire, the second tool. What happens if you ignore many sparks? They come together and create a campfire. A campfire is a bigger, recurring problem. It is a fight you have again and again. About money, about family, about being on time. A campfire can give warmth, but it can also burn you if you are not careful. You cannot use an iMessage for a campfire. It is too big for that. You need a bigger tool. This tool is called the calm talk time. A calm talk time is a planned meeting with your partner. It is not a fight. It is a problem-solving session. Here are the rules. They are very important. Rule 1. Choose a good time. Do not talk when you are tired, hungry, or angry. Choose a time when you are both calm, maybe on a Sunday afternoon. Rule 2. One person talks, the other listens. No interruptions. Give each person 5 minutes to speak their full thoughts. The listener's job is to understand, not to prepare a reply. Rule 3. The goal is to understand each other. The goal is not to win the argument. The goal is to say, I see why you feel that way. Use the calm talk time to manage one campfire at a time. Do not try to fix everything at once. This tool helps you keep the fire contained. It stops it from spreading. The forest fire, the third tool. Sometimes a campfire gets out of control. It spreads to the trees. It becomes a forest fire. A forest fire is a major crisis in your relationship. You are fighting all the time. There is no trust. You feel hopeless and scared. Listen to me very carefully. This is important. You cannot fight a forest fire alone. If you try, you will get hurt. Trying to fix a huge crisis by yourself can make it much worse. You need professional help. The tool for a forest fire is calling the firefighters. Who are the firefighters? They are relationship counselors, therapists, mediators. They are trained professionals. They have the right tools. They can see the whole fire, not just the part you're in. They can help you make a safety plan. They can teach you how to communicate in a crisis. If your relationship feels like a forest fire, your first job is to ask for help. Do not be ashamed. Even the strongest people need help to fight a forest fire. It is the bravest and smartest thing you can do. And if a relationship is ever unsafe or abusive, your first call must be for your own safety. A real story. John and Mary. Let me tell you about a couple I know, John and Mary. They're in their late 70s now. They hold hands when they walk. They look like they had a perfect love. But that is not their story. When they were young, their house was full of sparks. John worked long hours. Mary felt lonely. She used to say, "You never come home." A small spark of sadness would become a fire of anger. They also had big campfires. They fought about money every month. It was the same fight again and again. One night, they decided to make a rule. Every Saturday morning, they would sit and talk about the money. No yelling. It was their first calm talk time. Years later, they faced a forest fire. Their oldest son got into serious trouble. They disagreed completely on how to handle it. The stress was breaking them. They stopped talking. They were close to separating. It was Mary who made the brave call. She found a family counselor. She called the firefighters. John was hesitant, but he went. The counselor gave them a safe place to talk. Slowly they learned to fight the fire together, not each other. John and Mary did not have a perfect relationship. They had a real one. They learned how to use the tools. Your toolkit for a better relationship. So now you have your toolkit. For the small sparks, use the iMessage. For the growing campfires, schedule a calm talk time. For the dangerous forest fires, be brave and call the firefighters. Problems are a normal part of life and love. Having problems doesn't mean your relationship is bad. It means you're human. A strong relationship is not one with no fires. It is one where both people have the right tools and know how to use them. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing. If this video helped you, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. We have more videos to help you. And if you join our channel membership, you can get a PDF file of today's lesson. It explains these 3 powerful tools in detail. The link to join is in the description below.